In this video we are going to review Reynolds Kitchen's cookie baking sheets. This is one of the most popular and best cookie baking sheets you can buy right now. We made this review based on its performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, we hope this video will help you to decide is it worthy for you or not. We also mention product link in description below for check availability and updated prices. So, let's talk about Reynolds Kitchen's cookie baking sheets. Reynolds Kitchen's cookie baking sheets with Smart Grid are an easy way to help ensure your cookies are precisely spaced and bake evenly without sticking or breaking. Pre-cut to 12-inch by 16-inch sheets, they make your prep, baking and cleanup a breeze. Use them to roll out dough, line baking sheets, decorate cookies, and even wrap your finished creations for a beautiful gift. From start to finish, you can count on Reynolds Kitchen's cookie baking sheets with Smart Grid to be your favorite kitchen helper for mess-free baking. These double-folded cooking paper sheets are perfectly sized for standard cookie sheets and lay flat without curling. Pre-cut sheets lay flat right out of the box, making it faster and easier to get started with your baking. Sheets don't curl and fit most standard baking sheets perfectly. For better baking results, use the Smart Grid lines to evenly space your dough on the pan. The lines are also helpful for decorating or when you need to be precise about cutting dough. Cookies slide right off. Reynolds Kitchen's parchment paper with Smart Grid is non-stick, so cookies easily slide off, no need for extra oil, grease or sprays. For details, let's watch more.